Have you ever wondered what could have happened if our moon was replaced by any other planet? The nature or the universe is formed by maintaining balance among all the elements, celestial objects, and undiscovered truths. If we humans tend to change the way of how the reality should be, then in no matter of time, we will all be vanished. But what if our moon was originally not the moon, but some other planet or celestial objects? Let's find that out in this video titled,
What if other planets replaced our moon? If other planets were to replace our moon in the Earth's orbit, it would have profound effects on our planet and the entire solar system. Here's an exploration of some potential consequences. 1. Altered gravitational forces. Each planet has a different mass and gravitational pull. If a larger planet replaced the moon, its gravitational influence on Earth would be significantly stronger. This would lead to major disruptions in Earth's tides, weather patterns, and even the stability of our planet's orbit. 2. Drastic environmental changes. The replacement of the moon with another planet would cause significant environmental changes. The tides, which are primarily caused by the moon's gravitational pull, would be vastly different, impacting coastal ecosystems, marine life, and shorelines. It could also affect weather patterns, potentially leading to more extreme climate conditions. 3. Effects on Earth's rotation. The moon helps stabilize Earth's axial tilt, which is responsible for our seasons. If another planet were to take its place, the change in gravitational forces could affect Earth's rotation speed and axial tilt. This would have far-reaching consequences for climate, agriculture, and ecosystems. 4. Nighttime illumination. The moon reflects sunlight, providing natural illumination during the night. If a different planet replaced the moon, the brightness and appearance of the night sky would dramatically change. This would have implications for stargazing, astronomy, and the visual aesthetic of the night sky. 5. Impact on life and culture. The moon has influenced human culture, rituals, and mythologies throughout history. If another planet replaced the moon, it would likely inspire new stories, beliefs, and cultural practices. Additionally, the absence of the moon's influence on life forms and ecosystems would have unknown ecological consequences. It's important to note that such a scenario is purely speculative and unlikely to occur naturally. The moon plays a critical role in Earth's stability, climate regulation, and the development of life as we know it. If you are one of those who would like to see the visuals of what it would look and feel like, then I highly recommend the movie called Moonfall. Whatever we discussed in this video is clearly represented in the movie in order to help us understand this topic.